Assalamu alaikum dear students, class 11, unit thermodynamics. थर्मोडायनेमिक्स टॉपिक। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं रिवर्सिबल वर्क डन इन रिवर्सिबल आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेसेस। वर्क डन इन रिवर्सिबल आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेसेस। लास्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने डिस्कस किया था व्हाट इज वर्क। वर्क के लिए हमने एक्सप्रेशन निकाली थी फोर्स इनटू द डिस्टेंस। जब भी हम किसी भी सबस्टेंस को फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं एंड इट कवर सर्टेन डिस्टेंस, दैट इज सेड टू बी वर्क डन। फिर हमने एक्सप्रेशन निकाली थी प्रेशर वॉल्यूम वर्क डन, एंड प्रेशर वॉल्यूम वर्क डन W इज इक्वल टू P del V। ये हमने पिछले टॉपिक में डिस्कस किया है कि वर्क डन किसके बराबर है, प्रेशर इनटू द dV, that is small change in the volume. Now we have the work done in the reversible isothermal process and irreversible isothermal processes. सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे थोड़ा सा रिगार्डिंग द रिवर्सिबल। बेसिकली वर्क क्या होता है, इट इज द एनर्जी ट्रांसफर बिटवीन द सिस्टम एंड द सराउंडिंग्स ड्यू टू द प्रेशर डिफरेंस। सो वर्क is form of energy transfer between system and surroundings. सो वर्क क्या है, इट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी है, क्योंकि थर्मोडायनेमिक्स में हम पढ़ते हैं वेरियस फॉर्म्स ऑफ एनर्जी एंड देयर रिलेशनशिप विद ईच अदर। सो वर्क क्या है, वर्क है एनर्जी ट्रांसफर होता है बिटवीन द सिस्टम एंड द सराउंडिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द वर्क। फिर हमने प्रेशर वॉल्यूम वर्क डन के लिए एक्सप्रेशन निकाली थी, दैट इज वर्क डन W इज इक्वल टू P del V। वर्क डन किसके बराबर है, दैट इज P del V। ये जनरल एक्सप्रेशन थी फॉर द प्रेशर वॉल्यूम वर्क डन। नाउ फॉर द irreversible processes, the pressure difference, suppose हम यहाँ पर एक गैस लेते हैं in a cylinder and it was the gas molecules are here and it is fitted with a frictionless piston. External होता है external pressure is there and the pressure inside the gas molecule, that's called as the P inner, internal pressure of the gas molecules. When there is large difference between the external pressure and the internal pressure, the work is said to be done at that time irreversibly, क्योंकि वहां पर इक्विलिब्रियम अटेन नहीं होता है एट ईच स्टेप। यहाँ पर दो स्टेप होते हैं। if the external pressure is less, यहाँ पर external pressure बहुत कम होता है as compared to the internal pressure, and the gas expands, यहाँ फिर पहुंच जाता है गैस and it covers the, this is our, suppose we have the initial system, इसका volume V1 था, and if the internal pressure is much greater than that of the external pressure, it covers certain distance and the system, it is converted into the another system having the volume V2. So we have in case of irreversible expansion, number first in irreversible expansion, irreversible expansion में क्या होता है, pressure difference between the internal and external pressure is very large. Pressure difference is large. Pressure difference between internal and external pressure is very large. And at that time the work is done, the total work done is given as, इन केस आप यहाँ पर आपको याद रखना है कि इरिवर्सिबल एक्सपेंशन में क्या होता है कि प्रेशर डिफरेंस जो होता है इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर दैट इज वेरी लार्ज एंड हिंस द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क इज डन as W is equal to P del V and integral of volume V1 to V2. Then we have, if this is work of expansion, then we have minus sign here. W is equal to minus P into V2 minus V1 and W is equal to minus P del V. This is the expression for the irreversible expansion of the gas. So in case of irreversible expansion, we have the following two things. In the first case, we have the internal difference between the internal and external pressure is very large. If the internal pressure is more than that of the external pressure, the gas expands and it is converted into a final state. Initially it has its volume V1, and if the internal pressure is more or greater than external pressure, the gas expands and is converted into the another system having the volume V2. At that time, the work is said to be done by the gas molecules, which is given by W is equal to total work done is equal to minus P into dV. माइनस साइन इसीलिए क्योंकि इट इज वर्क ऑफ एक्सपेंशन. वर्क ऑफ एक्सपेंशन के लिए यहाँ पर हम लेते हैं माइनस साइन. So we have the work done that is minus P del V from volume V1 to V2. Then we have simply pressure, that is the external pressure. W is equal to the P into V2 minus V1 and the total work done is given by W is equal to minus P del V. That's large change in the volume if the pressure difference between the two is very large. This is work done in case of irreversible expansion of the gas. Now we have the topic that is the work done reversibly in an isothermal process. We have रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस में क्या होता है, स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क इज डन, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो प्रेशर डिफरेंस होता है बिटवीन द इंटरनल प्रेशर एंड द एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर दैट इज वेरी स्मॉल एंड हिंस सपोज वी हैव अ सिलेंडर हियर and it contains the gas molecules having the pressure that is P internal and it's fitted with a frictionless piston. And in the outside we have the P external. If the internal pressure is slightly more than that of the, वहाँ पर क्या होता है, there's very large differences there, but in this case we have the small difference in the pressure, so the small amount of work is done covers the distance dl, and hence that small amount of work is done as dw is equal to minus p dv minus, that's this work of expansion because internal pressure is slightly more than that of the external pressure, so there is expansion of the gas molecules, so there is expansion. So small amount of work is done as dw is equal to minus p dv. The total work is done, total work done is given as total work done, the total work done in reversible processes, reversible isothermal process having the constant temperature, isothermal process is given as W is equal to, यहाँ पर है small amount of work is done by the gas molecules having the slight this pressure difference between the external pressure and the internal pressure, that is given this small amount of work done, and then the total amount of work is done dw is equal to integral of minus integral of p dv, that's from volume v1 to v2. So we have here pressure according to ideal gas equation, हमें पता है according to ideal gas equation, according to ideal gas equation we have W is equal to, we have pressure PV is equal to PV is equal to nRT and P किसके बराबर है nRT divided by V। अब ये वैल्यू हम यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे। सपोज दिस आवर इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड हियर वी हैव द इक्वेशन सेकंड। अब हम P का वैल्यू इस इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे। सो वी हैव work done, total work is done as W is equal to minus integral of V1 to V2, P के बदले में लिखूंगी that is nRT divided by V into dV। क्योंकि number of moles constant है और is a gas constant and temperature that's also constant because this is an isothermal process having the temperature constant। So इसको मैं बाहर निकालूंगी। W is equal to minus nRT into integral of V1 to V2 dV divided by V। अब यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर क्या होता है, dV divided by V, that is the ln of V, that is given as the log natural of V। W is equal to minus nRT ln of integral of that is the ln of V2 divided by V1। अब इस लॉन को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे इनटू लॉग नेचुरल, लॉग में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। सो W इज इक्वल टू माइनस nRT इंटू 2.303 log of V2 divided by V1 और W is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log of V2 divided by V1। This is the work done in case of reversible isothermal process, isothermal expansion of the gas। But we also know that P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2। So this expression can be written also as W is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log of, ये इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप होता है between the volume and the pressure according to the Boyle's law। So if we have here the V2, then we have here P log of P1 divided by P2। This is the work done by the this is the work done in case of reversible isothermal expansion of the gas। So यहाँ पर हमने एक्सप्रेशन निकाली for the reversible isothermal expansion of the gas। So we have the two types of works are here, that is the work done in case of irreversible process and work done in case of reversible process। In case of reversible process, we have the expression W is equal to this much, or it is equal to W is equal to 2 minus 2.303 nRT log of V2 divided by V1, or it is P1 divided by P2। But in case of irreversible expansion, we have very large pressure difference between the two, and in that case work is done, the total amount of work is done as the W is equal to minus P into del V। ये आप याद रखोगे। This is work done in case of irreversible process, and this is work done in case of the reversible process। Generally work done in case of reversible process is more than that of the work done in case of irreversible process। और एक difference between the reversible and the irreversible processes is, in case of reversible process there is small difference in pressure, that's the P external और P internal के दरमियान जो pressure difference होता है that's very small। and in case of the irreversible process there is large difference in the pressure between the external pressure and the internal pressure. So this was work done in case of the reversible and the reversible processes isothermally. Now we have the another term used in the thermodynamics that's called as the internal energy. Internal energy. Another topic here is that is internal energy. It is denoted by either E or it is denoted by U, internal energy. जब भी हम कोई भी process देखते हैं, either the amount of, for example, we have a reaction that is A gives me B. We have this process. Sometimes the energy is released. Sometimes during the process, during a chemical reaction, either the energy is released or it is energy is absorbed. Either it is released or evolved or it is absorbed. So ये एनर्जी कहाँ से आती है? जब भी कोई भी केमिकल रिएक्शन हो जाती है तो either the energy is evolved or it's absorbed. अब ये एनर्जी कहाँ से आती है? It is said that every substance is associated with a certain definite amount of energy जो इस substance में store रहती है, तो उस store amount of energy को कहते हैं internal energy, which is basically the sum of various forms of energies. So internal energy है क्या? It is the stored, it is the sum of the various types of energies found in a substance, sum of, or it is the stored amount of energy in a system or in a substance. इंटरनल एनर्जी क्या होता है? वो एनर्जी जो किसी भी सबस्टेंस में स्टोर होती है और किसी भी सिस्टम में स्टोर होती है, वो एनर्जी, उस एनर्जी को हम कहते हैं इंटरनल एनर्जी. इंटरनल एनर्जी इट इज डिनोटेड बाय ई और इट इज डिनोटेड बाय यू. इन बेसिकली जो ये सिस्टम होता है, इट कंसिस्ट्स ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट्स, एंड रिएक्टेंट्स क्या होते हैं? मैटर होता है. तो अब उस मैटर दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ द एटम्स, उनकी एनर्जी होती है, दैट इज ईदर दे हैव द काइनेटिक एनर्जी, दे हैव द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, दे हैव the kinetic energy, chemical bond energy is there, nuclear energy is there, kinetic energy is further off, rotational energy, translational energy and vibrational energy. जो ये सारे amount of energies होते हैं उसी को हम कहते हैं internal energy. Basically internal energy क्या होता है? Sum of, or it is also defined as sum of various types of energies, sum of various types of energies of the substance or the system which is given as so ये इंटरनल एनर्जी जो होती है वो हम कैसे लिखते हैं? दैट इज बेसिकली द सम ऑफ वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ एनर्जीज, दैट E इज इक्वल टू काइनेटिक एनर्जी, दैट इज द, यहाँ पर हम पहले लिखेंगे दैट इज न्यूक्लियर, सम ऑफ न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी प्लस केमिकल बॉन्ड एनर्जी plus potential energy plus kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is further off, that is the rotational energy plus vibrational energy plus translational or translatory energy etc. जो ये वेरियस फॉर्म्स ऑफ एनर्जीज होते हैं इनका सम जो होता है दैट कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स आवर इंटरनल एनर्जी. सो इंटरनल एनर्जी है क्या? इट इज द स्टोर अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी फाउंड इन ए सबस्टेंस और इन ए सिस्टम विच इज बेसिकली द सम ऑफ वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ एनर्जीज. उसको हम कहते हैं इंटरनल एनर्जी। अब जो ये इंटरनल एनर्जी है इसमें कुछ पॉइंट्स आप याद रखोगे। इंटरनल एनर्जी जो है it is an extensive property, that means it depends upon the amount of the matter or quantity of the matter in a substance। जितनी ज्यादा क्वांटिटी होगी सबस्टेंस में और सिस्टम में उतनी ज्यादा इंटरनल एनर्जी होगी उस सिस्टम की और उस सबस्टेंस की। So the first point you should remember that it is an extensive property. Number two, it is a state function. It is that property which depends upon the initial and the final state of the system. So it is a state function. State function का मतलब क्या है कि it depends upon, suppose we have the system A, system A, and it gets converted into the system B. अब इसकी कुछ amount of internal energy होगी, and then it gets converted into the another system. It has its own internal energy. Now this internal energy depends upon the system A and the system B, and it does not depend upon the path by which the system A is converted into the system B. So it is a state function. Now we have the change in the internal energy. Change in the internal energy, suppose we have the system A, its internal energy is ER, that's it if it is a reactant, and we have the system B, it is the product, its internal energy is EP. So we have the change in the internal energy which is given as the internal energy of the products minus internal energy of the reactants. So we have change in the internal energy. Third point है change in the internal energy is given as del E is equal to EP minus ER. Or if we say that internal energy of the system is E1 and if its internal energy is E2, then change in the internal energy is given as delta E is equal to E2 minus E1, that is change in the internal energy. This is the third point. Our fourth point जो है internal energy, it is the function of temperature. That means it depends upon the temperature. If we change the temperature, the internal energy gets changed, and so it is a function of temperature. That means if we change the temperature, internal energy also changes. Suppose we have the isothermal process. For isothermal process, we have the temperature that's called the constant, no change in the temperature. So we have delta E is equal to E2 minus E1. But there is no change in the temperature, so there is no change in the internal energy. So del E is equal to 0. क्यों? क्योंकि इसकी internal energy और इसकी internal energy same होगी. Why? Because the temperature is constant. So we have the following four important points which we should remember regarding the internal energy. That is, it's an extensive property. Number second, it's a state function. Number third, change in the internal energy is given as delta E is equal to EP minus ER, and we have the internal energy, it's a function of temperature. Internal energy होता क्या है? That is, internal energy है store amount of energy found in any system or any substance which is given as the sum of the various types of energies. So this was all about the internal energy. Thank you so much.